What's new in BricsCAD Mechanical V24.2? BricsCAD Mechanical provides the fastest and most cost-effective path to complete and accurate production materials. The software provides manufacturers of any size with a complete 2D design and drafting toolset, a way for non-3D experts like technical illustrators to leverage existing 3D models to accelerate their workflows, and a series of easy-to-use tools which help production professionals optimize design for manufacturing and assembly. With the V24.2 enhancement, we've focused on two key areas of updates: addressing the most critical AutoCAD Mechanical workflow compatibility issues, and simplifying and expanding the assembly inspection and instruction capabilities. For this presentation, we want to drill down on the new tools we put in for 2D mechanical design and drafting. We'll start with a review of the enhancements for creating, referencing, and copying part references.
In BricsCAD Mechanical V24.2, we've made some updates to our AM part ref feature. We've made creating multiple instances of part references easier by enabling users to reference an existing part reference, eliminating the need for manual recreation. The new part references are associative with the existing parts list, increasing efficiency and accuracy. Another update is the ability to now reference an existing BricsCAD block. The metadata in the block is automatically transferred to the part reference. With the new AM part ref dialog, it's easier than ever to update your part references with the information required. These updates are part of our commitment to AutoCAD Mechanical parity and integration with BricsCAD Mechanical features.
In addition, we've added tools to help streamline the process for adding balloons to your drawings.
A new feature to BricsCAD Mechanical V24.2, but a familiar feature to users coming from AutoCAD Mechanical, is the AM balloon command. This feature creates balloon annotations that are fully compatible with the AM BOM database on existing DWG drawings, as well as blocks created in BricsCAD Mechanical. Arranging several balloons at once is easy with predefined vertical and horizontal placement, or choose custom angle placements. Overall, this new feature increases BricsCAD Mechanical's interoperability and familiarity with AutoCAD Mechanical while allowing users to integrate their existing DWG library into BricsCAD Mechanical.
BricsCAD Mechanical V24.2 also includes enhancements that help you customize your bill of materials and BOMs and add them to your drawings easily.
With BricsCAD Mechanical V24.2, we've improved our AM part list workflow by adding a dialog box to the command to enable more configuration. In this new dialog, we can easily edit part property values. During the drafting process, part references may be added and deleted, leading to item numbering being incorrect. In this update, we can now set incremental or fixed values to a range of cells. Adding more part properties to the table can also be done easily from the new dialog. There is also a range of layout configuration settings, including insertion point, header, line spacing, and title, giving you complete control of how your parts list is displayed. Once all updates are done, simply save the changes, and these are automatically reflected in the parts list displayed. This eliminates the need for manual recreation and speeds up your workflow.
This is just a brief overview of the new features and enhancements in BricsCAD Mechanical V24.2. The key features have been around the critical AutoCAD Mechanical drafting workflows for part references, balloons, and BOM, or bill of material updates. You can see a much more detailed review of these capabilities, as well as the new tools that we've implemented to simplify and expand the assembly, inspection, and instruction capabilities. All of these are available in detailed breakout videos that are available on our webpage. You can also visit the webpage to learn more about BricsCAD and to download the software.